In just 2 minutes, you can bypass the guesswork of dating and calculate the specific personality traits your soul is seeking in a partner. This technique uses a mathematical formula within your birth chart to reveal the nature of your ideal spouse. You need 2 views of your astrological data, your standard birth chart, or logna, and your Navamsha chart, or D9. These list 9 planets, but for this formula, we strike them down to 7. We completely ignore the shadow planets, Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are mathematical points, shadows without physical mass. Because we are looking for the nature of a physical life partner, we focus exclusively on the 7 planets that possess actual celestial bodies. This keeps our calculation rooted in the material world. Now, look at the degrees listed next to each of those 7 planets. Every planet sits at a degree between 0 and 30. The planet with the highest degree in your chart is your Atma Karaka, your soul planet. If you have 2 planets tied at the same degree, check the minutes. The higher minute value breaks the tie and identifies the true Atma Karaka. Identify that one winning planet and hold on to it. It is the central variable for the rest of our calculation. In this system, the planet that has traveled the furthest through a sign at the moment of your birth is said to represent your deepest energetic craving for companionship. Now move from your main chart to the D9 Navamsha chart. Locate your Atma Karaka in this new layout. It will likely be in a different house than it was before. Once you find it, we need to count forward exactly 7 houses. The most common mistake is skipping the starting point. Count the house where the planet sits as number 1, then move through the houses until you reach number 7. Let's test your count on this sample chart. If the Atma Karaka is in this corner, take 3 seconds and find the 7th house. By counting the starting house as 1, you should land right here on the opposite side of the chart. While the main chart shows your external life, the D9 chart represents your internal blueprint. By counting 7 houses from your soul planet in this chart, we isolate the specific area that describes your partner's behavior. Look at your result. If a planet sits in that 7th house, that is your answer. If the house is empty, look at the Rashi number in the corner. That number tells you which sign is influencing that space. Each possible outcome reveals a different temperament. The moon or Cancer suggests an emotional, nurturing partner. Mars or Scorpio indicates someone protective and action-oriented. Mercury or Gemini points to a witty, intelligent communicator. Jupiter brings maturity and guidance, while Venus or Libra suggests a romantic, artistic nature. Saturn or Capricorn indicates a loyal, hard-working partner. If you find 2 or more planets in that 7th house, your partner's nature will be a combination of those different archetypes. Take a screenshot of these steps. You identify the highest degree planet in your base chart, move to the D9, and count 7 houses inclusively to find the resulting planet or sign. By applying this Atma Karaka technique, you replace vague expectations with a specific archetype. You now have a roadmap to understand the type of personality that best aligns with your own astrological makeup.